Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to plant green peas at home. First, select a sunny spot in your garden that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Next, prepare your soil by ensuring it is well-draining and rich in organic matter. Incorporate some compost or aged manure to provide essential nutrients for healthy growth. Finally, choose a pea variety that thrives in your local climate, whether you prefer shelling peas or sweet snap peas. Now, let's get those seeds in the ground. Plant your pea seeds about 1 inch deep and space them 2 inches apart within each row. If you're planting multiple rows, ensure they are 18 to 24 inches apart to allow for good air circulation and growth. After sowing, give your newly planted seeds a good, thorough watering. This helps settle the soil and kickstarts the germination process, leading to strong seedlings. As your pea plants begin to grow, they'll need some support. For climbing varieties, install a trellis, netting, or stakes when the plants are about 6 inches tall. This gives them something to cling to as they reach for the sun. Consistent watering is crucial, particularly when the plants are flowering and forming pods. Aim for about 1 inch of water per week, but be careful not to overwater, as this can cause root rot. The most rewarding part is harvesting your delicious peas. For shelling peas, wait until the pods are plump, bright green, and feel full. Snap peas are ready when their pods are firm, crisp, and have a good crunch. Begin harvesting about 60 to 70 days after planting, depending on the variety. Picking regularly, every 1 to 2 days, encourages the plants to produce even more peas for you to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.